Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today I'm going to be making a simple soap because even though I am relatively well known, I suppose, in the soap community for making outrageous, highly detailed soap designs, I do crave simplicity. In fact, I have an entire soap line called Simplicity that I only fragrance with essential oils and color with like natural colors, all of that kind of stuff, because I like all the different types of soap. So we're making a simple design today. It is very beginner friendly. You are welcome to use my color combo, my fragrance oil. If you are a beginner or an advanced soap maker, I don't care. Use my recipe, use the fragrance, use the color combo, because I think it's a really good one and I think it will really spruce up and bring some cuteness to your spring and summer soap lines. I have been waiting to do a simple soap for so long. Let's mix up our lye water solution. I did add just a teeny tiny, and I do mean a teeny tiny bit of titanium dioxide. Let's go ahead and pour that in. Look how beautiful. Ugh, the oils, everything is behaving so well already. Let's blend this up. All right, let's split off our batch. Okay, now we have our batter split in half. Gonna take one of these and place it off to the side. Move the other one right here. And then let's go ahead and add our color. This is a blend of a couple different pinks to get a nice bright pink color. Make sure everything is incorporated and get all of that into our container here. Now we're gonna add our strawberry kiwi fragrance oil. Actually, since I haven't used this fragrance before, let's go ahead and blend it up first, just in case. I love this. Literally the perfect color. Okay, fragrance oil added. Gonna wipe down the sides before I stick blend. Just wanted to make sure that this was going to be a well-behaved fragrance. All right, looks great. Let's pour it into our slab mold. Right, gently does it. Just gonna pour very slowly so as not to create air bubbles. The fragrance is acting beautifully. I have plenty of time. Go around the edges real quick with my spatula to make sure that all that batter is incorporated. Scrape it out because I'm not adding anything to the top this time. Okay, I want you to see what it looks like after I tapped it down nice and smooth. Now we can get started. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, I'm really excited about this layer because I feel like the green is going to be so fun, so vibrant, so perfect for springtime. Get all that in there. That is going to be such a gorgeous springy green. Gonna add in my poppy seeds and let's blend it up with our stick blender. Don't worry, I know I didn't clean that off. You're not gonna be able to see it. Yes, look at that kiwi green. Gonna add in all the rest of my fragrance oil and blend. Everything has been blended super well, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my stick blender because that's the last color. Make sure the edges are wiped down, no color unincorporated. Beautiful, let's pour that in. Got this nice flat pink layer, and I am going to have to be very, very careful not to puncture it. It is set up, but it's not set up by much. Just gonna lean forward. It is taking all of my strength to hold this. I'm standing on my tippy toes, but that should have created a nice flat layer. Beautiful. Make sure everybody gets some, and then I'll tap it down. Okay, this looks so great. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes or so that it gets really thick and so that we can do a really pretty swirl on top. Okay, it has sat for long enough, I believe. I'm just gonna start by putting some gentle texture, sort of whipping the soap around. This is always one of those things that you just kind of have to play with it a little to see what kind of a swirl or texture you like. I like rather big swirls, like I want them pretty thick so that the texture is very, very noticeable after the cure. And I know people are gonna ask, no, this does not have any kiwi in it. It is just kiwi fragrance. So no kiwi fruit. I knew that a lot of people had allergies to kiwi, so I opted for just leaving it as is, not adding any kiwi powder, kiwi extract, anything like that, so as not to irritate anybody's skin. My dad is one of those people that's like really allergic to kiwi, but I love kiwi fruit, and so do my kids. All right, I'm gonna call that good. Everything looks nice and textured. And for the top, no glitter today. We're not gonna do it real sparkly. I'm just gonna sprinkle some poppy seeds over the top. So it's a relatively simple soap, but I've really been craving simple soaps recently. Ones where the fragrance and the colors are very impactful, but the design itself is kind of easy. If you've been thinking about doing the same thing and you're a soap maker, this is your sign. Try a little simple soap. It really is so easy. If you want to use this fragrance oil, this color combo, be my guest. Tag me so that I can compliment you and tell you good job. But this would be a really, really easy design for one of those purple molds that we use in our beginner series. It's only 2 layers. The poppy seeds are doing some heavy lifting. Very, very, very beginner friendly. All right, I think that's it. We'll let it sit for 18 to 24 hours and then we'll come back tomorrow and we will cut it all up and take a peek at the inside after this quick commercial break. Bye bye soap, sleep well. Have we learned some things with this batch? Yes, we have. First of all, this pink is coming off strong. They're coming off real strong. I wanted it to be a little bit softer. And then the green, I wanted to be stronger. So I'm not used to splitting batches into just 2 colors. I'm really not good at gauging how much to add for that, but that's okay. That's why we make a little testy test batch first. Got that lined up, press down. Oh, these are hard. These went through full gel, so they are a little bit harder the next day, but you can see this is what they look like. They actually smell awesome. They smell so good, but I want more out of this green. It's just, it's a nice green, but I want some more va-va-voom. Okay, question of the day. Are you one of those people that thinks kiwi fruit is like the weirdest fruit ever? I don't know how many people love it and how many people hate it. Like, I love it on a fruit tart, and it makes my dad's mouth like get really fuzzy and tingly. I think he has like a mild allergy or something. So again, this does not have any kiwi fruit in it. It is a kiwi fragrance. It does not contain kiwi. I mean, obviously, proceed at your own risk, I suppose. You know yourself better than I do, but there's no kiwi fruit in it. Gonna add a little more titanium dioxide, gonna add a little more green on future batches, which means, yes, these will be peasant soaped. So peasant soaps are bars that I just think I could do better on. There's nothing wrong with the soap, but I want to beef up the appearance of it, and so we discount peasant soaps. A clarifying thing to say, you are not the peasant, the soap is the peasant. Somebody got so up in arms the other day and was like,
"How dare you call us peasants just for wanting a cheaper bar?"
I was like, no, 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 bestie, you are always the royal court. The bars are the peasants. I did beef up this design. This is what the new design looks like. You can see it's much greener on the top. I left the pink as is. It didn't really need anything. And I hope you enjoyed just a simple little relaxing video. A lot of people say that they watch my videos at night to help them wind down, which I kind of find funny because typically I'm really bubbly and excited. I'm actually filming my intros and outros late at night this month, and so I'm a little more subdued. But normally I'm just like, nyang, 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 nyang. And so I am surprised that that could be relaxing to anyone. But if you're relaxing somewhere tonight, thanks for joining me. Thanks for chilling out. This is the perfect like little soap video to get you right to sleep. And we will see y'all in the next video. So until then, have an absolutely royal day. Bye for now. Yum.